Just got your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, but all your photos, apps, and messages are still on your old Android or another Samsung phone? Don't worry. Here's the fastest way to transfer everything to your S26 Ultra, S26, or S26 Plus without losing anything. First things first, open the Smart Switch app on both phones. Most Samsung phones already have it installed, but if you don't see it, just download it from the Play Store. Now, grab your old phone. Tap Send Data. Then, on your new S26 Ultra, tap Receive Data and choose Galaxy or Android. Now, Samsung gives you two ways to transfer everything. Option 1, wireless. This is great if you're only moving a small amount of data. Just make sure both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then tap Connect. But if your phone is packed with years of photos, videos, and apps, I highly recommend the cable method. It's much faster and way more stable. So for this video, we're using the cable. Just connect both phones using a USB-C to USB-C cable. You'll see a pop-up appear on your old phone. Tap Allow or Connect. And now the phones will link together. Once they're connected, you'll see three options. You can transfer everything, only the essentials like contacts and calls, or go custom. Here's a little pro tip. Choose Custom. This lets you see exactly how much data you're moving and how long the transfer will take. Now you can decide what actually moves to your new phone. For example, under Apps, tap the arrow and select only the apps you actually use. And under Media, you can manually choose specific photos, videos, or documents. This is a great way to clean up your new phone while transferring. Once you've made your selections, scroll all the way down and tap Transfer. If you use Secure Folder, you'll need to enter your PIN to move that data. Also, quick heads up, some third-party apps like WhatsApp may require an extra step inside the app itself. If that's okay, just tap Next. Now, just sit back. Let the phones do their thing. Keep them connected until you see the All Done message on your old phone. Once it's finished, tap Done on your old device and unplug the cable. Now, grab your S26 Ultra, head to the home screen. You'll see your apps installing, your photos appearing in the gallery, and everything starting to feel familiar again. Just like that, your new Galaxy S26 Ultra now has everything that makes it your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching till the end.